line extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles, in coastal waters from the Volusia-Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet out to 20 nautical miles. Strong thunderstorms over the waters. The areas affected include Flagler Beach to Volusia-Brevard County line 0 to 20 nautical miles, Flagler Beach to Volusia-Brevard County line 20 to 60 nautical miles, Volusia-Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, at 6:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms, capable of producing winds to around 30 knots. These thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Buffin Beach to near Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge, moving east at 10 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds to around 30 knots, locally high waves, and lightning strikes. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. The short-term forecast.